This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I'll show how you can adjust the exposure value on this camera. So to begin, take your camera, then if you do not see the controls on the screen, tap on it once, and now swipe upwards from the bottom edge of the display to open the shooting or video settings in my case. Then here tap at the EV to open the exposure value selection. And here you can scroll down or up to decrease or increase the exposure respectively, and then just set whatever exposure value you would like for it to have. And now you can get back and start shooting. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.